the different sets.
Different sets. The different of the two sets, A and B, denoted as OR, is the set of elements that are in A but not in B. Example, if the sets R and the different OR S, this is because 1 and 2 are in A but not in B. The element 3, even though it is in A, is also in B, so it is not included in the difference. So, ang A equals 1, 2, 3, B equals 3, 4, 5. So, ang difference sets ani kay ang 1, 2. Kini kay ang 1 ug 2 naa sa A pero wala sa B. Ang element nga 3 maski naa siya sa A, naaman pud siya sa B. So dili siya appeal sa difference. How it can relate to IT world? Ang kani na-relate ni siya sa IT world kay kaning operation kani daw makatabang ni which is magamit niya sa lain-laing na less pareha aning mga user permission, logs, or network configuration.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys!